Hello everyone, you read the latest market news on April the 30th, 2021. Bezos Blue Origin to launch space travel soon. Jeff Bezos' space venture Blue Origin will soon begin selling tickets for flights for space tourists on the new Shepard rocket. Blue Origin has not disclosed how much the tickets cost, but said more information will be provided to those who fill their name and email address on the form on the company's website, CNBC reported. New Shepard can simultaneously send 6 people into space. In previous test flights, the capsules have reached altitudes of more than 100 kilometers. The capsule, which has large view windows, spends up to 10 minutes in weightlessness before returning to Earth. Shares of Virgin Galactic Holdings fell as much as 3% after Blue Origin released its video, as Bezos' company will compete with the Sir Richard Branson's brainchild in the niche space sector of suborbital tourism. Meanwhile, Amazon shares gained 5% following the positive earnings report. Samsung surpasses Apple in smartphone sales. Samsung Electronics Co Ltd wrested the crown of the world's largest smartphone maker from Apple in the first quarter, taking a fifth of all global shipments. South Korea's Samsung shipped 76.5 million smartphones in the quarter, taking 22% of the market. Market research firm Canalys said. On Thursday, the company reported a 66% increase in quarterly profits in its mobile business thanks to strong sales of its flagship Galaxy S21 series smartphones. Apple shipped 52.4 million iPhones in January through March, dropping to second place with a 15% market share according to Canalys. Smartphone sales rose sharply over the past year as people stayed in and worked from home, but the buying frenzy has caused a global shortage of semiconductor chips, which has crippled industries such as automobiles and large appliances. Asian stocks fall despite global economic optimism. Asian stocks fell Friday, but global stocks held near record highs after strong U.S. economic data and a pledge by the Federal Reserve to continue supporting the economy fueled investor appetite for risk. The broadest index of Asia-Pacific stocks outside Japan, the MSCI, fell 0.5%. Japan's Nikkei fell 0.4% and China's CSI 300 lost 0.5% in early trading. Both markets will be closed until Wednesday. Meanwhile, the MSCI's broadest index of global stocks, the MSCI index covering 50 markets, ACWI, was little changed a day after hitting an all-time high. On Wall Street, the S&P 500 index also closed at an all-time high, and the Nasdaq Composite Index hit an intraday record but then fell slightly. Thursday's data also showed an acceleration in U.S. economic growth in the first quarter, helped by a massive government bailout of households and businesses. U.S. Senate passes first major infrastructure bill. The U.S. Senate overwhelmingly approved the first major infrastructure bill in this Congress that would authorize more than $35 billion to modernize the nation's drinking water and wastewater systems, a rare bipartisan show of support as lawmakers remain divided over other infrastructure investments. The Drinking Water and Wastewater Infrastructure Act, passed 89-2, would give the Environmental Protection Agency funding for grant programs and revolving loan funds to help communities upgrade aging infrastructure, invest in new technology, and support disadvantaged communities. Democrats hope the legislation will help advance President Joe Biden's $2 trillion American Jobs Plan to transform the U.S. into a clean energy economy, while Republicans are calling for more traditional infrastructure investments.